How to fix Fiverr not opening on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right into today's topic. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix the issue of Fiverr not opening on your PC. So let's get started. First up, after installing Fiverr, right click on the Fiverr icon, a menu will pop up. Click on Run as Administrator and then hit Yes when prompted. This could help Fiverr open up. If Fiverr still does not open, let's try another method. Right click on the Fiverr icon again, then you need to click on Properties. After in the Properties, you need to select Troubleshoot Compatibilities. Windows will detect any issues with the app. Wait a moment and hopefully Fiverr will open up for you. If you still have trouble, it might be due to an outdated Windows version. Let's make sure your Windows is up to date. In order to do that, you need to go to your settings. Then you need to click on Windows Update and Security. Here, you need to click on Check for Update. If there is a new update available, go ahead and download it. After that, restart your PC and your Fiverr should work. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on notification for more tutorials. Also, drop a comment below on what type of videos you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.